Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here in LaGrange, Ohio today picking up a post-test from a mitigation that we did. The house originally tested at 7.8, so the realtor had us come out and go ahead and install a system in the back corner of the house here, and we are looking at a new test reading of 0.7, so an awesome drop of 7.1 points. You can see here we have a nice small fan on there so it doesn't have to drop too hard. Very well designed and well built home, so it makes it easy for us to go ahead and get that stationed in here. We did have to work around an entertainment center, so we just went ahead and drilled a hole in the back corner of the entertainment center, dropped it down and drilled our hole into the floor underneath there, and then ran it up, and you can see it's going out the side of the house over here by the window. We'll go outside and take a look at the exterior portion of the system here, so stay tuned just a second. All right, you guys, we're outside now taking a look at the exterior portion of that system. As you can see, it punches out right next to that window there with our own little conduit and electrical box there. But it's on an individual switch, so that does run 24/7. We then elbowed it up against the siding, ran it up, kept it away from the window, and then 12 inches above the roof line. Again, per Ohio State code. Everything looks good, and we got really good results off of this. So thanks for checking us out. Make sure you stay tuned for more content.